guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chloe and I make videos on astrology, numerology, all things spiritual and metaphysical. I am very into all of that. So this video is going to be on the challenges and life lessons of Leo, but I just want to address that it's important to see these negative characteristics as opportunities for growth and development and not all negative. With that being said, let's get started. Arrogance. Leo individuals can sometimes display a sense of superiority or arrogance, believing that they deserve special treatment or that others think they are just as special as they view themselves. Attention seeking. Leos have a natural desire for recognition and attention. They want to be recognized. However, this can sometimes lead them to seek out attention, craving constant validation and admiration from others. Someone with a Leo moon needs attention and affection to be emotionally satisfied. Domineering. Leos can be assertive and bossy due to their strong leadership qualities. They tend to have a type of forceful personality. This can sometimes manifest as domineering behavior, making it challenging for other people to speak, making it challenging for other people to sound their thoughts. Ego-centeredness. Leos can come off as very confident, and although that's a good thing sometimes, they tend to be self-centered, often putting their own needs and desires before others, and rarely putting themselves in other people's shoes. They may need to consider the perspectives and needs of those around them. They may even have narcissistic tendencies, and I am not diagnosing Leo at all. But if Leo was a diagnosis, it would probably be narcissism. But I'm not diagnosing Leo at all. This varies from individual to individual. And not everyone will relate to every single negative quality that is going to be mentioned here. These are just negative qualities of Leo. You have more than just your sun. You have a moon, Mercury, Venus, Mars, and so much more. Every planet in our solar system playing a part into who you are at the time and date and location that you were born. Stubbornness. Leo individuals can be stubborn and resistant to change or resistant to trying new things because their modality is fixed. Fixed being stubborn and resistant to change. They may have a difficulty accepting alternate viewpoints and be very opinionated, and also having a hard time adapting to other views than they already have, like changing their mind or doing things differently, which can lead to conflict and rigidity within themselves. Dramatic tendencies. Leos have a flair for the dramatic. They low-key love drama. They rule over drama and entertainment in astrology. They can sometimes intensify situations or emotions for attention or impact. Their dramatic nature occasionally lead to conflicts or misunderstandings. They may over-exaggerate stories and even find themselves gossiping a lot. Pridefulness. Leos take great pride in their accomplishments and can become very easily wounded if their ego is hurt. They may struggle with humility and accepting constructive criticism. They may even always have to be right. Like how they say, what they think, and what they do is always right. It's not really always right, but to them it is. Some life lessons for Leo include humility. A key life lesson for Leos is to cultivate humility and recognize that true strength comes from acknowledging and appreciating the contributions of others, the contributions and abilities of others. Practicing modesty or humbleness, in other words, practicing lack of vanity and or pride from time to time, can make you seem more attractive, can make Leos seem more attractive. Balancing confidence and arrogance. Leos can learn to embrace their natural confidence while avoiding arrogance. Understanding that confidence and humility can coexist will help them form healthier relationships. Empathy and consideration for others. Developing empathy and considering the perspectives and needs of others will foster better and healthier connections for Leos. After all, a relationship is give and take. Flexibility and adaptability. Learning to be more flexible and adaptable in their thinking and decision making will help Leos to navigate change and handle unexpected situations gracefully. Graceful acceptance of feedback. Leos can benefit from gracefully accepting constructive feedback and using it as an opportunity for personal growth and improvement. Thank you for your feedback. I will definitely consider it. Balancing self-expression and listening. Leos could work on striking a balance between expressing their thoughts and feelings and actively listening to others, which will in turn foster healthier, more meaningful interactions with people. Using their leadership qualities for the greater good. Leos can utilize their leadership skills to inspire and uplift others, creating positive change and contributing to the betterment of their community in all. Remember, while these negative qualities and life lessons are associated with Leo individuals, not all Leos will exhibit them. Every person is unique and individual characteristics vary. It's essential to approach astrology as a tool for self-awareness and self-understanding and personal growth, rather than a definitive description of people's identity, because humans are just so complex, and not just one sign, like they're more than one sign. And you know, some people have a lot of the same signs in their birth chart, but then others have a variety of different. And regardless, it's just everyone's so different. There's also numerology, so you're not just astrology, you're also numerology, and you're also just so much more, like your childhood and your parents and your culture. And yeah, so I hope this video was insightful. I hope it resonated. I hope you learned something new. Please let me know how you feel about it in the comments down below. I would love to hear from you guys. I would love to hear if you related to this, if you know someone who you think demonstrates these traits. I would love to hear from you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked my video, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with your fellow Leo friends or family. I love you so much, you guys. Namaste.